Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration Channel. I'm here with you today working on these floor braces. I decided to make these floor braces for the 57-210, and but there's a big question about grinding discs and grinding techniques, and I've seen this posted. So one of the things is I've been watching Fitzee Fabrications, and he has showed that he's using these Walton flex cut discs. Walton flex cut discs. They have a diamond face on them, and then they also have a, if you can see it, kind of an tipped up angle. So they're like 10 degrees tipped up here on the edge. So anyhow, you know, when we're grinding, and lots of people use these discs, these are just these Harbor Freight cheap flat discs, 36 grit, and I'm really curious kind of see which one works better, if one works better than the other. And so I figured this would be a good way to try this out. I got these flex cuts, just came in the other day. I ordered them, so and then I've been welding on this. It's project not forgotten, and so I'm going to consider this as almost an extension of this mount building video. But anyways, I'm gonna fire this up for a minute, got my gloves, and see how this does. So all right. As you can see, they do work pretty well. You know, they take all the spatter off. I'm using flux core on this. I'm gonna go back and touch it up again, and you know, but this is just the initial grind down. Now this works pretty good, right? It's brand new disc, so you expect it to. So, you know, but the thing with the flat discs is they do wear out on the edges quite a bit. And so let's change over to the Walton disc, and we'll see how that one does. Because honestly, this weld on this side here is going to be it's a little bit heavier. So, but we'll struggle through here. So, gotta unplug my grinder. I don't like doing it with power on, changing discs. So, got my tool here in my pocket. So I hope you're all well today and doing good, working on your projects, getting them going. Always fun working on stuff, at least for me. It's my relaxing place. So, but anyhow, got this loose. Now for these flex cut discs, they just spin on. They're 5/8 11, and they just spin on. And so you have to take the little thing off here for that. And so we're just gonna spin them on. All right, tighten her up a little bit. All right, put my gloves back on. Alright. As you can see, I went and got myself a leather apron. That's good for protection, especially we're using them knotted wire wheels. So, but anyhow, whoop, got to plug the grinder back in. So this is real time. It's not cut or edited. As you can see, I'm not one of them fancy guys. I'm recording with my phone. So here we go. Alright. Now guys, I'm going to say that flex cut bit cuts a lot better. And now Fitzee's claiming he gets a lot more wear time out of that particular disc. They are more expensive. I got them from a place, I think I paid around $7.80 a piece for them. But they do cut. And this was actually heavier. The weld was, the metal was sticking up here. So the weld was not quite as, or it was quite a bit higher than this side. So it cut it down in quick time. I'm very amazed. It seems to do good. Even removing the spatter, did that really readily. So I would say that this is a win for the Walton flex cut discs. Fitzee wasn't telling stories. I believe that you know, the man has wisdom and he's able to do things. Check out his channel. It's Fitzee's Fabrication on YouTube.com. Give a shout out to him. He's not paying me to do that. I don't know the man personally, but his work effort shows in his stuff. So anyhow, keep the rubber side down, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. Remember to like or subscribe. Please, the likes help us get more views and more subscribers. Maybe we can be able to step it up a notch and get some better cameras and better footage for you. So take it easy from us here at Route 66 Restoration.